Here is Jingles in the snow. Come on. Come on. Come, Puss. Come on. Come on. He's like, I'm not sure I like this. Puss, puss, puss. Come on. I'm trying to get her to go to the loo. There we go. I'll take you back in now. Here's the garden, a trampoline, all the way round. The countryside is full of snow as well. There's our big conifers. And she's done. Oh, snow! It just came off the roof. Alright, you can come back in now, Jings. Come on. Go on.